Today's need for rapid application development has dramatically outmatched the number of developers available. In fact, there will be a shortage of 500,000 developers by the end of 2024. So, how can enterprises keep moving forward with this roadblock, where developers are unable to keep pace with the increasing demand? This is doable with the notion of citizen development. These solutions create a world where you can automate any business in a few minutes and put creative power in the hands of non-coders to accelerate software innovation. With the everyone can be a developer approach, the focus is on the augmentation of ecosystem components and pre-built applications. In other words, why should the world's software firms pay $250,000 a year to experienced developers when they can just take random guys from the office and help them build software with low-code tools? Or why even complain about the scarcity of data scientists when low-code tools are there to offer you the relevant data? A citizen programmer is a non-IT person or business professional without formal knowledge in software development. With little or no coding skills at all, they create apps using tools like low-code development platforms for a more efficient and easier workflow. Most importantly, 500 million applications will get built in the next 5 years. That's more than the total number of applications developed in the last 40 years. But there are honestly not adequate developers to fulfill the proliferation of applications or modernize existing ones. Hence, the only way out is to empower citizen developers who have never had anything to do with JavaScript, Python or C# but know their firm's business goals. Although development knowledge holds no importance in this case, there are certain qualities of a star citizen developer. For them to create a fine product, the ability to take constructive criticism, a profound interest in learning the whereabouts of software, working under little oversight, and developing problem-solving skills are essential. Turn your business resources into software developers instantaneously with world-class citizen development solutions to match all your application needs. We are RadixWeb, your citizen development partner.